Hi guys, it's Coco here, back again with a new video, and today we are on Bloxburg, and yeah, so blah blah blah, my house is there. I did this video before, but then it didn't upload. And here we have the garage, which you will see everything inside. What the hell? Wait, is there a guy standing on the street randomly? Oh, wait, that? It's actually inside. He was actually inside your thingy, and it was no inside build mode. Did you know, guys, that if you are a cone? Oh yeah, you didn't make me cone. Why do I? Really? Did you change it? Yeah. So we can both go into build mode.
Just don't do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna just show the house. So this is the bottom part, and you deleted the floor downstairs. Yeah. So the floor downstairs is deleted accidentally. This is his room. It's not even decorated. But whatever. And then upstairs we have another toilet. Wait, yeah. And then we have the relaxing place outside, which, if you look, has a roof. So then this is my room. And then this is my balcony. And yeah.
Oh, I still didn't make my room.
Yeah, I know.
My room is just plain.
Yeah. You can't have a plain room. And then we can.
Why not? You know I can have 3 floors if I want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's make a third floor then.
Nope, I'm too poor.
Oh yeah, because we can't build on the roof.
You can. Look, I just deleted the roof.
Oh yeah, and then build. Yeah.
Then I put a roof on top.
Yeah. But we're already recording for 2 minutes. Wow. So yeah, and then we're gonna build something.
You got $1.
Yeah, I got one. No, I got $1 that I can use from you.
Yeah.
Did you change it?
Who?
You.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. Really funny.
$1.
Yeah. $1. We're also in England, so it's $4 is actually pounds, but in this game it's dollars. Was that annoying when I said dollars? I need to hear this audio again because it's really bad. Audio. What's it even called? Audios. So if I make it louder, is this louder for you guys? Because we don't know. Okay, so it was no mic then.
No. I'm gonna build.
Also, I have premium.
Wait, don't build anything.
No, I'm just looking.
You can just look around.
Yeah. Okay. Nice room. I gotta put these lights everywhere.
Yep.
Except my room, because my room already has that thingy. Anything with glass, don't do it.
I know. Now I'm going to go to work.
Now he's going to work, and wait, how?
Don't go in build mode yet. Let me just get them real quick.
I'm not even wanting to go into build mode.
Can I kick you out with
TV, the laundry,
Now you can go back.
whatever. There we go.
Or you
And
can just show them the house.
yeah.
Oh my god. Wait.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you this house. Wait, I'm just gonna.
Can you have 2 people at work?
Nah,
Just check.
can't. I checked when you was AFK. Show me the house.
Come.
Wait, oh, let me drive.
No. Just come on. Try and go. Press in. Yeah. Are you on?
No, wait.
Oh, it's quite slow.
Right, so can I go on the moped and drive?
Look. Oh my god.
Give me the moped. Oh, yeah, it looks like blocks. What? This is so sick, said Ali. Whoa! Okay, so shout out to Orange Juice Lover 326 for having this beautiful house. Look, please do not trespass. Do like it free. Do not stay at my house for 24 hours. For don't ask me to adopt you if don't like it or anything. I already have kids. Be responsible to my friends and people who role play with. A cool house, right? She has a really cool house, but you can't go inside it. Wait, she has a pool. Look at this pool. Look at her pool. It's a swamp pool. Oh no, so I need to get out of water. Sorry, orange juice. Oops. Wait, should I just or did she just
Yeah, she kicked me out.
follow her? That's amazing how she gets a follow. Look at her character. She's an afro head. Afro head. I'm gonna just respawn a moped, which is my moped doll.
Oh, I can just delete it and make it my moped.
Oh, sorry. I just. Okay, and.
Close the garage.
KK. I see you.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna lock myself in the garage.
Don't think you can.
Oh, wait, no.
Go over to the door.
Yeah, I
Go
know.
in front of the door while it's closed and get in.
No, I'm not gonna get in.
Can you get out?
Your name should be Orange Justice Rover. That's what's on TV. I just hate how people just pretend like poke that something's going to happen like in one day, and now after this day it's not. Also, look, so we have PewDiePie floor here.
Pews, the bumhole. Pews is ugly. Yay, Kylo. Comment down below.
This is my room.
Comment down below, 9-year-old army, if you like PewDiePie.
Comment down below, 9-year-old army, if you like PewDiePie. No, customize character, seriously. Whoa. Yeah. Look, I'm gonna be your child. Now I'm gonna be a teen.
You wanna be my kid?
I'm a teen.
Well, I'm my kid still. I'm an adult, I have a job. You don't.
Okay, so I'm your kid.
Yeah.
Yay.
I'm your daddy. I can just kick. You're a teen, yeah?
Yeah.
So you're 17. Yeah,
Nah.
I'm gonna kick you out until.
I'm 11.
I'm gonna kick you out.
I'm a teen who's 11.
Tomorrow you're 12. Tomorrow, in 2 days you're 13. No, but like in Bloxburg days, I mean.
Nah, not in Bloxburg days.
No.
In Bloxburg years.
No.
So it's like 24 minutes is one day. So 24 times. Wait. How many minutes?
Why are you showing everyone your personal stuff? Look, I got advanced building. Yeah.
I definitely didn't search this up.
He looks at LOL surprise.
Oh, ATM.
He looks at LOL boys. Am I correct?
I have low boys.
LOL boys are like LOL bumbos.
What is it? Oh yeah.
I just got promoted.
Was it 365?
What?
How many days in a year? 360.
5.
104. 146 hours is a year in Bloxburg.
Nope.
It is.
I did it all.
I did it all right. So Bloxburg is right now like way ahead of us in the future. No, this unicorn music is annoying me. Catsby can't listen to it.
Which one?
The unicorn music.
Well, just turn it off.
Can you hear anything?
Who?
You?
No.
No. Oh, boring guy on
That's
TV.
true. I was literally cleaning nothing. I
Mm.
was literally cleaning the air.
Yeah, I know. I always clean the air. I always clean the air. Or clean a place where you can't. Clean the air again.
Look, yeah.
Look, I'm gonna be your kid.
Cleaning nothing.
Yeah, I know.
Cleaning.
You're cleaning of ants off the path. Or
Now I'm cleaning.
but ants are helpful.
For Nicholas, everything is helpful.
No.
Worms.
Well, I have worms. I catch worms in my hands.
So, no, I'm cleaning nothing. Oh.
Oh yeah, cleaning the air. Oh no, you're cleaning your hand. Look, I'm gonna turn into a kid. Look. There you go. I'm a kid now. I'm your kid.
This actually gives you a bit of cash.
Oh really?
I know old man.
Look, I'm your kid now because I'm a kid.
And you're in my house. You're locked in. So, yeah. And if you jump off the balcony, you're dead.
Yeah. I'm a kid and I'm locked in. Look how small I am to this.
You're locked up.
Remember when I jumped and I already glitched through that? See how small I am?
That's exactly how small his private was.
Ha ha ha, really funny.
JK.
Ha ha ha, really funny. Hi guys, it's me Miranda.
Right, this is you wanna hear something really funny?
Oh yeah.
Hi guys, it's Morgs.
Hi guys, it's Morgs and I'm gonna be doing the 24-hour challenge of stupidness. Oh no, I will do it for my whole entire life because this is what I am, Morgs, and I'm gonna be doing it for $10,000. Is that good impression of Morgs?
Yeah, I think so.
This video's ending soon, so yeah, this is only about this house and Bloxburg. I'm your kid.
Which way is my house? Where is my house?
There it is.
There.
Yeah.
There, that's it.
Yeah. Hee. Daddy.
Hey, you are locked inside, remember?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
If I see you there, you're gonna get a spanking.
be.
Wait, I lost my house.
I'm gonna be watching TV downstairs.